Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another brand new episode of Sunday Travel Updates. I have to share some very important news this week, so watch this video till the end. But as usual, before we get started, the Sunday ritual, as you can see on my screen, 98% of you who are regularly watching my content are non-subscribers. Guys, please hit that subscribe button and support my channel. News number one I have for you is Schengen visa rejections. Now, as you know, I will definitely help you with your Schengen visa. If you would like to speak to me, message me on Instagram. And also, if you need cover letter and itinerary or sponsorship letter, which are the most important documents, then please reach out to me on Instagram. What is happening lately is visa agents are kind of screwing up everyone's profile and people are losing money for their Schengen visas. Indians have lost over 136 crore rupees due to Schengen visa rejections in the last 12 to 18 months. Now, if you want to know more information on this, please watch this video. I've made a full-length video. However, if you want to connect with me, if you need help in appealing your Schengen visa or reapplying your Schengen visa, don't hesitate to reach out to me on Instagram. Update number two, very important news this week is Thailand's entry rules update. Now, a foreign tourist was denied entry to Thailand because she did not carry 20,000 Thai baht, and because of this she was not let inside Thailand. And majorly what we Indian travelers do is, I can see on my Instagram reels and also YouTube comments, just because they are not asking, it doesn't mean that you don't have to carry cash and TDAC. You have to carry those piece of documents. Now, what are the other set of documents that are mandatory to carry? I've made a dedicated video, guys. I don't want to waste any more time in this video. Watch this video and learn what are the documents you have to carry. Please be vigilant and be cautious when you're going to Thailand. Update number three is Singapore has introduced something called as no boarding rule. So if you have previously been detained in Singapore, or if you've been caught using chewing gum inside Singapore or spitting chewing gums or even using chewing gums, then you might be denied next time when you're entering Singapore. Now, this is a big headache. What are the rules and restrictions? How is this going to impact you? Singapore is very important destination when it comes to rules and regulations because they follow at a very high pace. So please be cautious when you're going to Singapore. What are those things you have to be careful? Watch these videos. You will get full understanding on what I'm talking about, because I don't want to take any more time in this video because it's a general update video, guys. Please watch these videos to learn more information. All of these video links will be added in the description below. The next update is GCC visa. Now, GCC will start rolling out GCC visas for the GCC residents first as an initial pilot phase 1. Now, once that has been implemented successfully, then GCC visa will be rolled out to all the travelers, all international travelers across the world. So please stay tuned for the update on my channel. As soon as this is released, I will surely make a video. Lot of visa portal companies have already reached out to me saying that please promote our page once GCC visa is issued. I've already spoken to them. If the GCC visa can be applied on your own through the official website, I will not accept any sponsors. But if in case GCC visa cannot be applied by ourselves and does require a portal or an agent, then surely I'll help you with those information as well. So please stay tuned to my channel. The next update is Bangkok remains the most visited city in the world for 2025, and this was the case in 2024 as well. Bangkok was the most visited city in the entire world upon international arrivals. So this is a great record for Bangkok. Even though Thailand tourism was down by 7% or to 9% in the last 1 year, still Bangkok remains as the most visited city in the world of 2025, which is an incredible achievement. 2023 was Istanbul, but 2024-2025 totally dominated by Bangkok, Thailand. The next update is Dreamfolks is back in action. Dreamfolks has partnered with a Dubai-based company and sold 60% of their shares to Dubai-based company to improve their services. Dreamfolks had its own issues. Last October, they had a technical issues. Nobody was able to access lounge for one whole day, and there was a lot of backlash and Adani's company waiting in the corner to take over. There was a lot of things, guys. But now the good to see is Dreamfolks is trying to come back very strong. That is a great news. Good, anywhere there is competition, it's going to be very good. Now, we saw what happened with Indigo. Indigo is holding 60 to 80% of the domestic flight market in India, and if if that goes down, then we are all stranded without any operations. So always, if you depend on one big player in any field, in any domain, in a country like India, then it is going to be very, very difficult. I hope there is a healthy competition between, and I also hope Indigo's share is a bit reduced and other flights do come up. They start new airlines and they start dominating the market, which is very good for us Indian travelers. The next biggest update is US tourism is down by 7 to 9% because of the latest restrictions on visas, because of the latest things changes that are happening for a visit to United States. Even though you have a valid visa that is B1, B2 to visit United States, not that you will be allowed entry to US without valid justification and several thousand other factors. Now I've already made a video on this, but I'll be making a video shortly this week, guys. So please do watch out. Now there is new things that has been introduced for this kind of an entry to the US. So please stay tuned to my channel. I hope this Sunday travel updates was very, very helpful to you, especially on the Schengen visa rejections. I'll catch you guys in my next video.